Hello everybody. Today we are going to start our YouTube channel, and this is my first time to start my YouTube for English, because as an English teacher sometimes I'm thinking about making a kind of program that can improve myself and improve other people too, in this case our students. And to start my YouTube channel, I will pick a topic. The topic is about why should we study English. And I divide this important purpose into 5 different things. The first one is they study English because it is their lesson or their subject in their study, especially for students, in this case from kindergarten to a senior high school, continue to university or college, and even is still continuing to the next level, that is postgraduate students or postgraduate university students. And the second, for the first point, is because they need to study English for working. Because we can see that we live in a global village. It means we connect with other people from other countries. And the country, for example, Indonesian government, they open the chances for other people from foreign countries to work in Indonesia. So you can say that English is necessary because they work in a multinational companies. The second purpose why we study English, because we want to apply for a job. As we know that after we finish our study, we will continue to apply for a job for a certain institution or a certain company. And during the application, we have sometimes or usually an interview in English. That's why we need to study it. At least we can speak fluently, and we can answer the interview questions very well in English, of course. Besides application for a job, we also usually use English to apply for a scholarship. And I had an experience here that my students send me or give me a certain form that is used to confirm whether the students is from the school that we live in or from a certain institution. So we are, as a teacher or maybe principal, write something about the student to make sure that the student has an ability or deserve to get the scholarship in another country or in another institution. The third one, the reason why we should study English is, of course, English until now is still number one language in international language. That's why if we want to go somewhere around the world, we want to work somewhere around the world, we need to study it. The fourth reasons why we need to study English, because we need to build our network. Networking is very important this time. And of course, we don't work with for example, Indonesian people only that speak Indonesian, but we will connect with other people from other countries, and mostly they speak English. That's why we need to make a networking, and we need to speak with international English. Networking here that I mean is not only about working, but also about friendship, to make a friendship and to build a community. Because when we have internet, we have global village. It means we can build a community from any different parts of the world. And the last one, the fifth reason why should we study English? Because it is connected with entertainment. As we know that we need to entertain ourselves sometimes during a spare time, or when we have what's that, vacation time, or we have the time to do something else, and usually we will entertain ourselves. For example, by watching YouTube channel, or we watch a movie and there is no translation, so we need to understand. Mostly, for example, we watch Hollywood movies. It means they use English and we need to understand it. Of course, it's not about grammar, but it's about the context of the movie. That's why we need to understand it. So I think that's all for today. So let me repeat the point that the reason why we should study English. The first one, for study or work. The second, to apply for a job or a scholarship. The third one, this is international language so far. And the fourth, we need to build a networking. And the last one, we need to entertain ourselves. And most of the entertainment are in English. Thank you very much for today. See you next time.